Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Quick Command Panel. The Quick Command Panel is a configurable floating panel where most common actions can be assigned to buttons and can be kept close to where you are working on your image, therefore avoiding repeatedly moving your cursor all the way to menus or the menu bar. You can display the Quick Command Panel from the Quick Command toggle icon on the menu bar, from the Panel Toggles pop-up menu, and from the View menu. The Quick Command Panel has a default set of 16 common buttons. They are color-coded based on function. Any of the 16 initial Quick Command buttons can be set to an action from a large list of choices. To change the function of a button, right-click on it and select the desired action from the list. The Quick Command Panel can be easily resized by pulling its borders. You can add new buttons in the black area of the panel by clicking and selecting an action from the list. To change the location of a button, hold the Control key and drag to shift the button.